Last Saturday, I decided to go to a restaurant for lunch. I had a very busy week at work, so I wanted to relax, enjoy some good food, and spend time outside my apartment. The weather was warm and sunny, and the idea of sitting in a nice place with tasty dishes sounded perfect to me. There is a small Italian restaurant near my home called Bella Roma. I have walked past it many times, but I had never eaten there before. Many people in my neighborhood say that the food is delicious and the atmosphere is friendly. So I thought, why not try it today? When I arrived, the restaurant was not too crowded. Soft music was playing, and the smell of fresh bread and garlic made me feel hungry immediately. A friendly woman greeted me at the door. She smiled warmly and led me to a table near the window. From there, I could see people walking by on the street and children playing in the park across the road. I sat down and looked around. The restaurant was decorated with pictures of famous places in Italy like Rome and Venice. There were small plants on each table, and the walls were painted in soft, warm colors. Everything felt comfortable and welcoming, and I already felt happy about my choice. After a moment, the waitress brought me a menu. It was full of dishes I liked: pasta, pizza, soups, salads, and desserts. There were also many drinks, including coffee, tea, and fresh juice. While I was reading, I tried to decide what I wanted. The menu made me more and more hungry. Finally, I chose tomato soup to start, then spaghetti with mushrooms and cream sauce. For a drink, I ordered a glass of orange juice. While I waited for my food, I watched the other customers. A family with two children was sitting at a big table near me. The children were laughing and talking excitedly about something. At another table, an older couple was enjoying their coffee and looking at a map, probably planning a trip. Everyone looked relaxed and happy, just like me. Soon my soup arrived. It was hot, thick, and full of flavor. The tomatoes tasted fresh, and there were small pieces of basil on top. I took my time eating it, enjoying every spoonful. The waitress came to check if everything was okay. I thanked her and told her the soup was delicious. A few minutes later, she brought my spaghetti. The aroma was amazing. The pasta was soft, but not too soft, and the creamy mushroom sauce was rich and tasty. I ate slowly, enjoying the combination of flavors. It felt like a special treat after a long work week. While eating, I also listened to the music. It was calm and relaxing. I realized how important it is to take time for yourself sometimes, to enjoy a meal, to sit quietly, or simply to observe the world around you. In that moment, I felt peaceful and very comfortable. When I finished my main dish, I thought about dessert. I usually do not eat dessert, but the restaurant had a famous chocolate cake, and I decided to try it. It was a small slice, but it tasted wonderful. Soft, sweet, and full of rich chocolate flavor. It was the perfect way to end my meal. Finally, I asked for the bill. The price was reasonable for such a nice lunch. I left a tip for the waitress because she was very kind and helpful. Then I left the restaurant feeling full, relaxed, and satisfied. As I walked home, I thought about my visit. The food was excellent, the atmosphere was warm, and the service was great. I decided that I would definitely come back to Bella Roma again. Maybe next time I will try their pizza or one of their salads. Going to the restaurant was a simple thing, but it made my weekend feel special.